Hello everyone, God bless you all. Dear students, today I would like to tell you about the maintenance of your social science fair notebooks. In our esteemed institute, we are following different color codes for all subjects. These colors are more than just eye-catching. Each color serves us to process it more meaningfully and efficiently. So look here carefully. We have chosen dark green color or hue for social science notebook. As on front, Goenkan is mentioned here. So you will cover your notebook only with lamination paper or transparent sheet, and afterwards you will write your name here with permanent black marker, and afterward you will laminate or cover your notebook with transparent sheet. So now in book set you will get 4 notebooks of dark green color, 2 interleaf and 2 both sided lining notebooks. For semester first we will use only 2 notebooks. First, which is interleaf. Look here carefully. Students, interleaf means which has one sided plain page and on the other side it is lining page. This blank page, plain page, we will use for your diagrams, for your maps, and this page we will use for your fair notes. It means question answers. This interleaf notebook we will use for only geography. On the very first page, index page, you will write here serial number, then afterwards date, and then afterward name of the chapter, chapter number as well as name of the chapter, and then furthermore you are to write about how many pages you have used for this particular chapter. You are to write the page number, starting page and the last page of that particular chapter. This place for sign and remarks you will leave for the teacher's signature, right? And afterward look here inside, like earlier we are using this page for your map work, as well as this plain page we can use for diagrams like this, and this page we will use for your fair notes or question answers. Now let's talk about the second notebook, which is both side linen notebooks. Now this second notebook is both side lining notebooks. This notebook we will use for history as well as for SPL, or you can say civics. Now look here carefully, and at the very first you will write or you will use this first index page for history, and afterward you will follow the same instructions as we have discussed earlier for history only. And this page you will use for civics or SPL. Write down here serial number, date, your topic, page numbers, and this place you will leave for teacher signature, right? So these 2 index pages you will use for history as well as civics. Now we will write here on the very top, it is mentioned date. You will write here date, then you will write your page number 1, 2. Furthermore you will write all the numbers like this only, and afterward which chapter you are supposed to start. You will write the chapter number, the name of the chapter in this broad line, right? Afterward we will write keywords, question answers, and some extra work of the chapter, like look here. So in this manner we will maintain history notebook. Now what will you do? You will make the half of this notebook. In the center of this notebook you will start your civics portion like this. You will write here civics semester 1, and then you will maintain your notebook as I have discussed for history purpose, in the same manner you will start here SPL or civics. You will write the chapter number as well as name in the broad line, and then afterward you will write the first keywords and then question answer. One thing, let it be very clear. You will leave two lines after every question answer, and you will not write the question number 1 and then answer number 1. This is wrong method. We will follow only question number 1 and then answer. It is suffice here. You will not write here question number 1 then answer number 1. Fine. You will write only question number 1 and answer. Then after it you will leave, at the end of every question you will leave 2 lines. Is it clear to everyone? So both notebooks we will use in this manner. Interleaf notebook for geography only, and both side liner notebook we will use for history, as well as half notebook we will use for SPL. Now, which is the very important thing I would like to tell you, when you will make the half of this notebook, you will not write here page number 1 again, because 1 to 50 pages we will give to history notebook. And furthermore, suppose here it is written, we have started this notebook, this part from 49 page number, so you are to write 49. You will not write page number 1 here also and page number 1 at the very first. So write down the page number whatsoever it is. So this is all about your maintenance of notebook. I hope you will understand the instructions. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.